Hey guys, welcome back to Benjibiker. Today, unfortunately we're not out on the road. I've still got an issue with the GoPro at the moment. I'm still waiting to hear back from GoPro. Hopefully we'll have some road footage for the next video. I found on my bike this left indicator isn't working. Well, it is working, half working. I'll just sort of show you real quick. If I just put the hazard lights on. Well, actually it's worse than what it was when I last used it. It's absolutely knackered now. So I'm going to change both of these two, but keep the two front ones how they are. Two fronts work alright. Obviously you can't see very well because there's a light outside. But yeah, they're still working, just the back one isn't. So I'm going to change the two back ones and keep the two front ones as they are. I've already taken off the fairings. I had to take this fairing off, which sat on the front, and I had to take the bottom one I've just left hanging, and all it was to hold these bottom ones on, which is these sort of pushing ones. You just get a screwdriver and pull them out and then pop them out. Pretty easy, to be honest. And then getting these ones off, I had to take the seat off, which was just held in by an Allen bolt, two Allen key bolts, and took the seat off, and then it was like a bolt here, and a bolt there, and then that fairing. You sort of have to be a little bit rough with it because you got to sort of bend it around here. So let's just see how I'm setting. So yeah, let's just crack on. I've already traced the wires. It's going to be there, yellow and red, yellow and red. They're the two indicators. So my plan is to cut them. I'm going to re-crimp the wiring side as well, the wiring loom side, and put some bullet connectors on. So yeah, I'm going to take off the indicators. I'll do one at a time so I don't cross match the wires. But yeah, let's get into it. So I was going to change these for new connectors because I didn't realise that the person who did it last actually put connectors on them. When I had briefly looked before, I thought they just crimped them in, but as they've used connectors and put shrink on them to keep them out of the wet and moisture, I'm just going to reuse the same things that he's done, or he or she, whoever owned it last. So it should be actually a quicker install. So that's one done already, so I've just got to do the same for the other side and then put it back together, put the bike back together. don't be annoying. But then before I put that together, let's just check that the indicators work, I suppose. Hey, look at them, both working. Cool, that'll do. I'll put the bike back together, and then that's it concluded. Let's see how it goes putting it back together. back together. Just double check once more, make sure it all works. Check the hazard lights. Yep, all blinking. Left indicator on. Right indicator. Cool, all works. Nice and simple, nothing really too hard, just a bit fiddly putting the fairings back on and taking them off. But yeah, just tracing wires, put them back together, it all works alright. But yeah, I hope this video has been informative and helped you out if you was thinking about doing anything, changing any of these. One thing I will point out, them blocks that you saw that were wrapped in tape, they're resistors, so if you didn't have LED lights fully on them, you'd have to install them resistors on it. But this wasn't really a video of how to install LEDs from non-LEDs, it was just a replacement of LEDs, just showing that it's quite a simple job to replace lights if you get any faulty ones. But be sure to check out my other videos, and yeah, I'll catch you next week, and it should be me out on the bike, fingers crossed. Okay guys, take care.